Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, welcome back to my videos. This time my friend and I will be presenting the drug trade. I am now with three of my colleagues. Me, Vicky, there is Abdul Aziz.
Hi, my name is Aziz.
Yes, okay. There is Ataya Yumna.
Hi.
And there is Selvia Angelita.
Hi.
Okay. If we talk about drug trafficking, what do you guys have in mind? Go ahead. Trafficking. The commercial exchange of goods, a specialist of an illicit of improper. Example: drug dealing, trade for commercial, sexual exploitation, trade for forced labor, trade in arms, selling and buying various types of guns. Okay. Trafficking offense might include: number 1, production or cultivation. Number 2, import and export. Number 3, transporting. Number 4, offering. Number 5, selling and processing. Number 6, with intent to distribute of supply or the concept of acting for a gain or a commercial basis. Okay, next, Ataya. Nah, yeah, guys, what is drug trafficking? Drug trafficking is a global illicit trade involving the cultivation, manufacture, distribution, and sale of substances which are subject to drug prohibition laws. You know that is continuously illicit drug markets in order to gain a more comprehensive understanding of their dynamics. This is what is drug trafficking. Okay guys, next, Abdul Aziz, please.
Thank you. Okay.
Yes.
Implication of drug abuse. Besides its implication bahwa drugs also cause other negative effects either towards the user personal use, or the implication that harmful towards social economic life, and implication toward the security there and a public order in the survey that conducted by the drug abuse and illegal trafficking in the student group. Indication that indicates that the most powerful impacts of the drug abuse is impacts the heart and prison chain. Next, prevention and eradication of drugs abuse and illegal drugs trafficking. Prevention of the drug abuse and illegal drug distribution case. Every year, so increment that with such relevant of the case. So but sure the drug abuse and illegal and drugs trafficking can be controlled and prevented. Even it can be eradicated, however, following the success of the case, this drug disclosure. In parallel, the drugs abuse and illegal drugs trafficking grow. It is proven what relevant. It is proven with the relevance of the drugs maker factor in some place. It seems that the more the drug abuse is eradicates, the more the drugs deals spread to either action. 3-4 lot efforts made by developing ideas, concept and new insight in facing the drugs abuse and illegal drugs trafficking. This is required to be done to option granted motives and purpose of the illegal drugs dealers. On the other hand, people need to be aware of the danger of the drugs. Thank you.
Wow. Okay, presentation and gradation ya. Okay, next Sylvia Angelita. Okay, wow, Abdul Aziz. Next Sylvia Angelita. Okay, Sylvia Angelita, please on microphone.
Thank you, Vicky.
Yeah.
In general, the perfection and eradication of the drug abuse and illegal drug trafficking can be categorized into approaches. Next, a penal approach, criminal law approach, and approach that emphasizes to repressive eradication after the criminal act, or choose with referring to criminal court system. Next, non-penal, non-criminal, an effort to emphasize the nature of being preventive or control before the criminal act occurs.
Wow. Okay. Very drugs in the eradication is. Okay, next for Ataya Yumna, please on the microphone.
There are several legal politics that are important in the law of drugs as the direction of the policy to govern the drugs in Indonesia. 1. To protect people from the danger of the drugs and prevent and eradicate the illegal trafficking of drugs. In this law, it has been governed regarding drugs precursor, which has a role as the substance to make drugs. In addition, it also conducts the penalty of the drug precursor misuse. 2. To incur deterrent toward the subsect of the drug abuse and illegal drug trafficking and drug precursor. There have been penalties or fine charge, both special minimum criminal sanction for 20 years, lifetime prison, and death penalty. The penalty are determined based on the types, class, size, and amount on the drug. 3. To make the prevention and eradication of the drug abuse and illegal drug trafficking more effective. It has governed regarding the strength of BNN institution. Such BNN is established based on regulation of President number 83 of 2007 regarding National Anti-Narcotic Agency and City or Agency Anti-Narcotics. The BNN is a non-structural institution that based under and responsible to President, which has a duties and function to coordinate in this law. BNN has been formed as non-ministry governmental institution or LPNK and has an authority to investigate and interview. BNN is under President and responsible to him. BNN has representative in province, cities or agencies as vertical institution, which are BNN province and BNN city or agency. Thank you.
Wow, okay guys, this is drug trafficking. It is very disturbing. It's in. Okay guys, that's all from you. If something is not right, we are sorry. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Thank you.